Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable Google Assistant on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and find Google option. It's right here. Now here we have to click on all services, search assistant and voice, Google Assistant, and now we are in the Google Assistant settings. Right here we have to scroll down and find general option. It's right here, and all you have to do is just click on this button and then turn off, and basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!